Alan Spector here, and every Tuesday and Thursday at this time, we bring you Olson on Law with longtime Orlando attorney Tom Olson. Hi, Tom.
Good morning, Alan and crew and WFLA listeners.
All right, don't fence me in, a very appropriate selection. So, you know that fence between you and your neighbor's house? Ever wonder who it belongs to, Tom? Say there's been a fence between two neighbors. It's been there for years. Whose fence is it?
It is determined by an accurate survey of the property. If the fence is on your property, you own it.
Let's say my neighbor put up a fence, and later we discover the fence is actually on my property. Do I own it? Can I take it down if I want to?
Yeah, if the fence is on your property, you own it, no matter who installed it. And if you wanted to remove it, you could remove it.
So I'm wondering how fence installers handle this sort of thing.
They will require an accurate survey of your property. And when they install your fence, typically they do it about 6 inches inside of your property line.
All right, so you pay for a new fence. It's 1 foot inside your property line. Now your neighbor mows that 1 foot, plants a garden on that 1 foot. Will your neighbor become the legal owner of that 1 foot?
People ask me that all the time, Alan. They're referring to what's called a adverse possession action, but here in the state of Florida, that would not work in this situation. So that 1 foot on the other side of your fence is your property. It will always be your property, even if your neighbor is mowing it and planting a garden on it.
So time to break out the weed whacker. If you have legal questions about this or anything else, Tom will be happy to answer them on the Olson on Law show. That is now heard Saturdays at 10 a.m. right here on News Radio WFLA Orlando, except for this Saturday. You're being preempted by Gators football. Sorry, Tom. The good news is, Tom, you'll be active later on with your band.
Yeah, Alan, I have a band called the Lawbreakers, and we played this Saturday at the College Park Jazz Fest. We'll play from 6:15 to 7:15. We'll be on the main stage, College Park Jazz Fest, this Saturday.
We'll look for you. Tom, thanks so much. We'll see you there, and we'll see you next time on Olson on Law.
Thank you, Alan.
And remember, for all of your legal needs, call the Olson Law Group in Orlando.